The die has been cast with Donald Trump erecting an unprecedented tariff wall for India's exporters. On Monday, the US Department of Homeland Security issued a formal notice confirming an additional 25% duty on Indian imports effective 9:31 a.m. Indian time on 27th of August. With this, import duties on many Indian products have surged to over 50%, the steepest ever imposed on a US trading partner. The order cites India's continued purchases of Russian oil as the trigger. The real picture emerges when we break down India's top export categories to the US. Smartphones were the largest export to the US in 2024-25. They are exempt from tariffs for now. Diamonds, gold and jewelry exports, which hit $10 billion last fiscal, face duties as high as 52%. Pharmaceuticals remain exempt from tariffs for now, but Trump has warned of high duties very soon. Textiles and apparel, a very labor-intensive sector, faces massive tariffs with a very high risk to exports. Exports of machinery and mechanical equipment are also at very high risk. They fact a tariff of more than 50%. Steel, aluminium and metals, where exports touched nearly $4.7 billion last fiscal, faces very high risk as well. Petroleum products, ironically at the center of the additional tariffs, are exempt for now. The shock is immediate in Gujarat's diamond hub. Factory owners say margins have collapsed, with prices tumbling 30% for polished stones. Worker associations warn that more than 1 lakh diamond workers could lose jobs across Surat, Bhavnagar, Rajkot and other clusters.
We always believe in a long-term thinking. So definitely for a short term we are not going to reduce any of our employees, but in the longer run we have to definitely see the situation and the economics, but we are confident that some or the other workaround may come and we will not be in a need to go for a cut down, which has never happened in our journey of 55 years.
The textile industry is straining at its seams as well. Exports of knitted and woven apparel, worth nearly $5.4 billion to the US, will now face tariffs of up to 63%, pushing buyers to Vietnam and Bangladesh. Garment exporters supplying Walmart, Target and Costco already report cancellation calls. In Rajkot, the auto components industry, which exported $6.6 billion worth of parts to the US last year, is bracing for a bumpy road ahead. Commercial vehicle and farm equipment parts worth $3 billion will now attract 50% tariffs. According to GTRI, the Global Trade Research Initiative, the new duties affect more than $60 billion worth of Indian exports to the US. Labor-intensive industries anticipate up to a 70% reduction in export volumes, while rivals like China, Vietnam and Mexico are set to grab market share. Some forecasts peg the decline as steep as 60%, shaving 1% of India's GDP. Stock markets reacted sharply. The Sensex slipped nearly 700 points in trade, led by a sell-off in export-linked stocks from gems to textiles. Analysts warn volatility will persist until clarity emerges on relief measures. Meanwhile, the government is burning the midnight oil to keep the export funnel open. The Prime Minister's office held a high-level meeting to finalize a relief package for exporters. Emergency credit lines, cluster-based support funds and targeted SOPs for MSMEs are being considered. The government has slammed the tariffs as unfair and unjustified. Prime Minister Narendra Modi reiterated his Swadeshi call at an event on Tuesday.
हम सब आगे बढ़ाएं, वोकल फॉर लोकल बने, स्वदेशी ये हमारा जीवन मंत्र बनना चाहिए दोस्तों। गर्व से स्वदेशी की तरफ चल पड़ो।
From Surat's diamond polishers to Tirupur's garment industry and Rajkot's auto parts makers, the impact of Trump's 50% tariff wall is cascading across India's economy. With millions of jobs, of billions in exports and a rattled stock market on the line, the country faces a crucial test. Can relief measures and new markets help cushion the blow? Or will Washington's tariff storm force painful adjustments on the ground? Bureau Report, Business Today TV.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.